open up the CapCut app from your iPhone. We're going to just create a new project by clicking the Create button at the top. Choose your video and add to your project. Now I have my video that has some sound on it. I'm going to click on the word text at the very bottom. And then in the middle here, you should see Auto Captions. Go ahead and click Auto Captions. Now you have all of these options you can choose from. This is going to look at your current video that you have imported and determine what sound you want the auto captions to come from. So you can choose everything. Say you have some voiceovers and you have a video that both have words in them. You can choose the all. You can choose voiceover to just look at any clips that you might have additional voiceover on top of. Or you can choose from video, which I'm going to do here, which will look at my current video and it will give me auto captions throughout the rest of my video. So I'm going to choose from video, and then underneath here you'll see templates. And these are all very interesting and fun caption types that you can use that they made for you. So I always like to do something here. So I like to typically do something like this one in the middle where it highlights the words as you talk. So let's do this one today. You also have a choice for pro folks to do bilingual subtitles, which is exciting. And then also you can identify invalid clips. So say you have a long talking clip where you might have said the word or have some awkward pausing. This will actually eliminate those clips and trim down your video so that it's more efficient. I'm going to click Start to initiate auto captions. And now you can see all the words from my video are down here in separate lines. Let me just click play first so you can see how it looks. It's that magical time of the year again, when the neighborhood is glowing and kids are full of anticipation. These are the days I'll look back on and realize they were the best days of my life. Okay, so I think that looks great. Say you wanted this first line to be a little bit shorter, you can actually just click on the line. And if I wanted to end here, I can click return to enter it into its new auto caption line. So I'm going to click return and see how it dropped it down to the next line. So now if I play it, you can see it'll play on its own. It's that magical time of the year again, when the neighborhood is glowing. So now it played in its own line of captioning. And now say I'm watching this and I really kind of want to change the look of my auto captions. You can just highlight one of them and click at the bottom, click Batch Edit. This is going to allow you to choose all of your clips at once and change the look of them. So click Select on the top left, and I'm going to say Select All. Now I'm going to edit on the bottom left. And here I can change the look of all of my captions within one click. I'm going to scroll all the way down and choose something a little different. How about this one with some green in it? Okay, I'm going to do the down arrow to get rid of the captioning options. And I'm going to click play to see how it looks. It's that magical time of the year again, when the neighborhood is glowing. Great, I love that. So now, if say I wanted to say some captions were one effect and some captions I wanted another effect, in this situation I could see it being useful if you have two characters that are speaking. You can have one character in maybe a yellow captioning and another character in a green captioning. All you would have to do for that is I'm going to deselect all and say character 1 is every other line. You can just pick and choose which ones that character is speaking and edit just those templates, just those words. So I'm going to choose a different one so it'll stand out. And now I am going to watch it again and see them go back and forth. It's that magical time of the year again, when the neighborhood is glowing and kids are full of anticipation. Great. So one other thing is if you want to change the size, you can always come in here and change the size of all of your captions. And I'm going to say apply to auto captions here, so that'll apply to all of them. Now, It's that magical time of the year again, when the neighborhood is glowing. Now you will see that it applied to all of the captions throughout the whole project, and they are all bigger now. Other things you can do is you can change to a different text preset here. You can change just to a regular font if you don't want auto captioning to sort of move along with your words. You can choose just a style. You can change everything here, the coloring of all of your effects. You can also change the effects on how the words look. There's a lot of things here you can do to animate and change the coloring to exactly how you want it to look. Well, I hope this helped you today. Feel free to leave some comments or like the video and subscribe.